If you're using Google Ads to promote your business, then this video is just for you, because in this video, I will show you how you can automatically manage your Google Ads leads very simply and easily. Imagine a new lead comes in, automatically the record of the lead data is added in Google Sheets. With that, the lead receives a message on WhatsApp, with the help of which you're creating an engagement at first experience with your lead. Okay? So now in this video, I will show you how you can also create this setup step by step. That too, you can create this setup without need of any technical, coding and programming skills using the amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. Without wasting any time, let us dive into the creation of this setup. I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In order to access Pabbly Connect, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to this landing page. Now, if you already have an account, sign in. But if you're a new user, sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the automation that I'm teaching in this video right away. Test it out from your end. And then if you want unlimited tasks to create such amazing automations and without facing any errors, you want to automate your business, you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plans of Pabbly Connect. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen will help you to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plan of Pabbly. Okay, go ahead, use the code, automate your business workflows. Sign in, you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect just like this. To create a new workflow, go towards this create workflow option and select the option of create using quick builder. This AI will generate the entire workflow for you with the help of a simple prompt. So what do I want? I want that. So my request is I want to automatically capture new Google leads, save their details in Google Sheets and instantly send them a personalized WhatsApp text message using WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so this is my prompt. I will share it. Automatically AI will analyze my request. Now we need to select some events. In my Google Ads, as soon as a new lead form entry will be done, in my Google Sheets first the record should be created, then using WhatsApp Cloud API a text message should be forwarded. So this is my entire template of the workflow. I will open this workflow from here. After opening the workflow, simply build the connections and your entire setup is done. In my Google Ads, you will receive a webhook URL and some steps that you need to follow in order to create the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL and open the campaigns that you've created. In the campaign that you've created, you need to scroll down, select all the details, set up your campaign, go towards this lead delivery option and go towards this webhook integration optional. Over here in the webhook URL, paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. For the key, paste the same URL and remove the data till the last key over here. Okay, now after that, after entering the details, now I don't have the live Google Ads running at this point, so I'm going to share the test data to create this entire automation. You can use the same thing as well, and then when you will save this webhook URL in your campaign, the real leads data will be captured in the similar manner that you're going to capture your test leads data also. Okay, so now as I've entered the details to send the test lead data, click on the send test data option. You can see the test data has been forwarded. As now the test data has been forwarded, in the trigger within few seconds you will see the response of the test data that is forwarded is going to be captured. Okay, it will take few seconds for the response to arrive. You will see the test data for the phone number, email address as well as the full name of the lead has been captured in the trigger. In this similar manner, you will receive your real-time leads data, the phone number, email address and the name and other details that you want to capture. Okay, so as now everything has been captured over here in the trigger, Google Ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. After that, submit the step from here and the webhook URL will be added in your Google Ads campaign. Okay, so now let's add the leads details where in our Google Sheets first. For that, simply over here we're going to set up this step. Go towards this connected option, go towards this add new connection option and click on the sign in with Google button. Now it is asking for us to select an account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet, so I'll do that. And then it is asking for the access of the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I've created one in the name of leads data and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll select those details from here. As soon as I will do that, automatically the headers that you've created in your spreadsheet is going to appear as fields inside Pabbly Connect's workflow. And now you will see the headers, same full name, email and phone number will appear like this. For the data of these fields, we are going to map the data. Where you want to map the data, add a slash. And over here, this is the the full name of my lead that I want to create as a record. So I'll select the data of the full name from my previous response. Now this data is mapped in dynamic. That means now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In a similar manner, I will map the data of the email address and the phone number of my lead over here as well. As soon as I've done that, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button where I've received this response, which is a positive response, and you will see in the Google Sheets the record has been created successfully. Now as we have added the data, next what I want is towards this lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message using WhatsApp Cloud API. Now go towards the step, go to connect option and go towards this add new connection section. To create the connection, you need to provide the token, phone number, ID in the WhatsApp business account ID, from where you will find the details. Go towards this learn more section. You will come towards Pabbly forum page. Now to have all the details, you have to create your own WhatsApp Cloud API setup. In order to learn how you can create that setup, first see the tutorial in this Pabbly forum page, step-by-step guide of complete creation of API setup of WhatsApp Cloud API, and then you want to generate a permanent token for your business inside WhatsApp Cloud API setup using the other tutorial. You can do that. You can see and learn about it as well. Okay, I've already created my setup, so I'm going to copy the details from here and paste it down in the fields and click on the save button. As now the connection has been created, firstly you have to enter the recipient phone number to whom we want to send a WhatsApp message to, for which I will map the data of the phone number that I've received in this previous response. So towards this phone number I want to send the WhatsApp message to. Now next we have to enter the message that I want to send. I want to send a message just like this. So where for the message I will write it as, so this is my message, hi. Next to hi I will map the data of the name of my lead. So this is the full name. Thank you for contacting Urban Thread Studio. That's the name of my business. We've received your inquiry and our team will get back to you shortly. Have a great day. Okay, so as now I've received this message successfully, now what I want is I want to send the WhatsApp message, this message, but as I've entered a dummy phone number right here, WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded and we will receive a error response. So now just to show you, you have to map the data and click on the save and send test request button. Your work is done. But just to show you what kind of a response, a positive response you will receive as well, what I will do is I will enter my phone number. I will show you what kind of a WhatsApp message you will receive, what will be the response as well. Okay, so just to show that, I will enter my detail and click on the save and send test request button where I've received this response, and on my WhatsApp you will see I've received this new message. This is the same message that I've entered. So as I've received the message, this means this entire setup is now created. Now in your Google Ads leads campaign, whenever a new lead will be generated, automatically first the leads record will be created in Google Sheets, and then towards the lead a WhatsApp automated message will be forwarded as well. So if you have questions or doubts related to the setup, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. With that, if you want the free template of this workflow, check out the workflow link in the description section. Do not forget to use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.